Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. ChatGPT AI for SEO is absolutely insane right now, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm talking about an AI that adapts in real time, changes direction mid task, and helps you create SEO content up to 10 times faster. If you're still doing SEO the old way, you're already falling behind. This is hands down the biggest AI upgrade I've seen this year, and once you see what it can do, it's going to completely change how you work. So ChatGPT just rolled out a massive upgrade, and for SEO specifically, it's a game changer. You can now change your mind halfway through a task, and ChatGPT instantly adjusts. No restarting, no losing progress, no re-explaining context. SEO just became faster, smarter, and way more strategic. Think about normal SEO workflow for a second. You're building a content plan, you've already done keyword research, created outlines, and mapped everything out. Then suddenly you realize the audience should be different. Maybe a new country or a new market. And normally that means starting over from scratch. Well, not anymore. Now you can tell ChatGPT mid test and it instantly updates everything. Keywords, intent, structure, done. That's the power of interruptible queries. So let me show you how this actually works with a real example. Let's dive in. Say you want to rank for eco-friendly travel gear. First, you set ChatGPT's personality to SEO strategist using the new custom instructions. Then you give it your first prompt. You tell it you're targeting a UK audience for an eco travel blog. And you ask for 15 keywords for eco-friendly travel gear 2025, including primary and long-tail keywords with estimated search volume and difficulty for the UK market. In seconds, ChatGPT delivers all 15 keywords. But here's the difference, it's not giving you random suggestions. These are keywords with real search intent. Keywords people actually type in Google. And they're filtered by difficulty, so you're not wasting time on terms you'll never rank for. This first prompt sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, you give it a second prompt. So you ask ChatGPT to select the top 5 keywords and create a full blog outline for each one. H1S, H2S, and H3S, and at least one FAQ section per post, all aligned with user intent. ChatGPT builds 5 complete outlines instantly, and it remembers everything from the first prompt, your keywords, your audience, and your goal. This is where it gets powerful. You're not starting from scratch each time. ChatGPT is connecting the dots. The outlines match the keywords, the headings match search intent, and everything flows. At this point, you're not just asking questions, you're building a complete SEO strategy in one conversation. Isn't that amazing? Now, for the third prompt, you choose one blog post and ask ChatGPT to write a meta title and meta description. The title needs to be under 60 characters, the description under 155, both optimized for click through rate and including the primary keyword. Then ChatGPT delivers both instantly. Perfect length, fully optimized, ready to publish. And again, it builds on everything before it. The meta tags align with the keywords from prompt 1 and the structure from prompt 2. No repetition, no copy pasting context. ChatGPT remembers the entire workflow. Then comes prompt 4. So you ask ChatGPT to generate JSON LD schema markup, specifically product review schema for Echo Travel Gear using placeholder values. You also ask for 3 internal link suggestions, including anchor text and an explanation for why each link makes sense. Then ChatGPT generates the full schema markup and gives you 3 highly relevant internal links with reasoning. This is technical SEO work that used to take hours or require a developer. Now it's done in seconds, all while staying aligned with your original content strategy. At this point, you've built a complete SEO ecosystem in a single chat without restarting, switching tools, or losing context. Now, here's where it gets truly insane. Halfway through, you realize the audience should actually be US based, not UK. You also want voice search FAQs and optimize image alt text. Normally, that would destroy your workflow, but with interruptible queries, you just tell ChatGPT. So you ask it to update the entire content plan for a US audience, add voice search style FAQs, and generate image alt text suggestions. ChatGPT updates everything instantly. Keywords adjust for US search volume, and content is rewritten for American readers. FAQs are phrased the way people actually speak to Google Assistant. Alt text is optimized for the new focus, so all without losing any previous work. This is what separates the new ChatGPT from everything else. It doesn't just follow instructions, it adapts, it thinks, and it evolves with you. So finally, you give it your sixth prompt. You ask ChatGPT to summarize the entire content plan in a table. So column one, task type, blog post, meta tags, schema, internal links. Column two, task owner, AI or human. Column three, time estimate. You also ask for next steps and a human review checklist. ChatGPT generates the entire project plan instantly. Everything is organized, clear, and actionable. You're no longer just getting content, you're getting full SEO project management. So, six prompts, one conversation, a complete SEO strategy from start to finish. That's the real power of these new features. ChatGPT now adapts in real time, and with GPT's instant mode for quick tasks and thinking mode for deep strategy, you get speed when you need it and depth when it matters. This is the feature of SEO. AI that thinks with you, adapts with you, and helps you strategize instead of just following orders. So here's what I want you to do. Go try this today. See ChatGPT's personality to SEO strategist, write custom instructions for your brand, pick one SEO task you've been putting off, keyword research, meta descriptions, internal linking, whatever that is, and start working through it. If you want the prompts I've used in this video, just comment down below and I'll give it to you. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Are you ready to own one of the most in-demand AI tools every business needs for customer support and communications? Introducing Helpera, the ultimate AI help desk software. Helpera is an AI-powered help desk and customer communication platform that handles questions, feedback, support tickets, and reviews automatically. It gives instant, accurate responses and cuts your support workload in half. Whether you run an e commerce store, agency, gym, tech business, or HR team, every business needs customer communication done right. The businesses that serve faster wins, Helpera makes that happen. And here's where it gets exciting. You don't just use Helpera, you own and sell it as your own high value product and pocket the profits. Sell unlimited licenses, offer setup services, implement it for clients, collect recurring fees. It's a goldmine for recurring income in the AI SaaS world. Plus, 30-day refund, 24/6 support, and a satisfaction guarantee make this a no-risk opportunity to start selling what businesses actually want. So if you're ready to build a profitable income stream and help businesses thrive with AI, get your Helpera agency today. So what are you waiting for? Get Helpera now. Just go to gethelpera.in.